Hey guys, in this video I'll be unboxing Asus Zenfone 5Z. So peeling off the plastic, this is how the box looks like. Opening the box, firstly here we have this leaflet which consists of SIM ejector tool and then some documentation. Asus has also included this clear case to go with the phone. And then we have the phone, which I'll get back to in just a moment. Also in the box we have some standard earphones, the power adapter and a USB-C cable. So here I'm peeling off the plastic, turning on the phone and going through the setup process, during which we will be asked to register my face, and once it's set up, initial impression unlocking the phone is that it does unlock instantly. I will be testing it in different scenarios to see how effective it is. Next, in terms of storage, this phone has 64GB of internal storage, out of which 14GB is used by the phone, and it can further be expanded up to 2TB. When it comes to memory, the Zenfone 5Z has 6GB of RAM. There is also a 8GB RAM variant. In terms of software, it is running Oreo right out of the box. Next, in terms of physical overview, on the front here we have the sensors, an earpiece, a camera and a speaker. To the bottom we have on-screen buttons. To the right we have the power and volume buttons, and to the left we have SIM card slot. To the bottom we have secondary speaker, USB-C port, noise cancelling microphone and a 3.5mm headphone jack. So the Zenfone 5Z has stereo speakers, really looking forward to testing them out. To the top we have a secondary noise cancelling microphone. On the back we have dual lens camera, and under that we have the flash, and then we have fingerprint scanner followed by Asus branding. The fingerprint scanner on the back works quite well and it is quick in unlocking the phone. Next, in terms of weight, this phone weighs at 165 grams and it feels even lighter than that when I actually hold it in my hand. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. I'll be covering more about this phone in my upcoming videos, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video, it will be very helpful. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave links in this video's description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you're interested in more videos like this, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. Once you're subscribed, make sure you hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.